Hello folks, good morning. Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike and kayak surfing. Today we're going to focus on kayak surfing as we went for a trike ride yesterday. And I don't know if you've heard, but we've got a hurricane southwest of us, and it's churning up the ocean quite a bit as we've got storm surf throughout the islands. But I got some blue skies today, so I'm going to head out. We're going to go down to Hukilau Beach, park our truck there, and take the kayak out. We expect it to be gnarly in the sense that the waves will be all over the place. We're hoping for a little size, but the worst condition is we're going to have 20-mile-an-hour winds, and that's not a good thing for kayak surfing. But we're going to give it a try.
The scene, it was unbelievable. Velvet paintings hung from my cell. They had the likeness of Don Ho and Elvis. The jukebox sang about some LA hotel.
Normally when I'm out at my home break here, I catch about 10 to 15 waves in an hour, and it's kind of mellow. But today, because the ocean is mean and angry, I said if I can get 3 waves, good good sized waves, I'd be happy with that. So let's see what I come up with.
Everything seems to stay just the same. No one changes, no one chooses to run. And that's why I'm singing you this song. And that's why the band plays along. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. Stuck in the middle. Stuck in the middle. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. I am stuck in the middle. I got music going round in my head. I got so many things I want to tell you. It's all the stuff that's never been said. Read between the lines.